My name is Dereck Dreyer. I'm one of the co-founders of Relay Distribution. We are a 3PL based out of Houston, Texas. We have a focus on social media backed brands, specifically in the apparel industry. Here's some examples of things that we're currently in the process of. What sets our fulfillment center apart from the others is the fact that my business partner and I have come from the e-commerce space. We have both owned our own e-commerce brands, so we understand the struggles from pretty much the beginning to the end of the product and customer life cycles. We've really built our business as a full turnkey model. So what that means is that we are not only a 3PL that can just fulfill orders, we also have a design, manufacturing, and content arm of our business as well. However, the 3PL fulfillment aspect of our business is the main bread and butter of what we do. It is the industry that most of us come from, so we feel like we are really, really good at it. We have a full design team in-house where we will design, develop custom products, custom clothing products from the ground up. So our team will vectorize, they will create tech packs, we will do branding, we'll source fabric, and we will manufacture it with our suppliers. So I really wanted to highlight our studio space. So over here behind me, we have a cyc wall. We have about 1,000 square feet up here of pretty much content space. We chose ShipHero because most of our team actually comes from the logistics industry and has had experience with using ShipHero in the past, so it just made sense for our team or our business to use this platform because there was virtually slim to no learning curve when implementing the software. We just pretty much installed it and off to the races with onboarding our clients. ShipHero fits into our growth strategy because when you're scaling a business, you need a solid foundation, right? So we could have very easily gone with makeshift technology such as these TMSs that you're just printing labels or manually tracking inventory, manually tracking billing, but ShipHero is an all-in-one solution that tracks your orders, tracks every movement in the warehouse. You can scan, you barcode items. There's the billing aspect that makes it very easy to bill at the end of the month. So a tech stack like this is very important, especially as a startup, because you want to have a solid foundation and a platform to be able to grow on. ShipHero has really helped us streamline our inventory management due to the fact that it is very easy to set up cycle counts. So we do cycle counts on a monthly basis. You can also set up automation rules to tag products with a specific quantity on hand. So for example, we will tag products with say 5 on hand and take those tags and run it through a cycle count where we only count all of the products that have 5 on hand. So really when you get down to low inventory, you want to make sure you're spot on and prevent any overselling or underselling. It is a great tool to have and it's really streamlined our process. We definitely had major efficiency gains when we started implementing ShipHero due to the fact that the locations, the app is all streamlined. It takes you on the best picking path. Bulk ship, you're allowed to print multiple orders fairly quickly to get through, if you have the same SKU. I think the biggest form of feedback that we've received from our clientele is the ease of use and how user-friendly the ShipHero dashboard is. ShipHero recently introduced the client portal, and since we have transitioned all of our clients over to the client portal, they have said nothing but great things about the ease of use, how user-friendly it is. The client portal specifically, when you open it up, it takes you right to the on-hold orders, which in the past, there's sometimes the on-hold orders can kind of get lost in the shuffle if one side or the other is not constantly looking at it, and the fact that it's right in your face when you log into your portal really helps those orders get taken care of, back into the queue and shipped out, and everybody's happy. So what's next for our 3PL is actually implementing more automation. Right behind me, you can see one piece of automation that we have implemented, and this is called the PO. It is a order picker. And ShipHero, we're working right now on integrating it with the PO software so that orders can just streamline, the billing can all be streamlined straight through our automation system. This automation system has really made a huge impact on our business. It's saved us a lot of space, and the fact that we can kind of connect it to ShipHero and really streamline that process is going to be very huge for us.